Take the case, for instance, from Spotify. So Spotify has this Discover Weekly playlist, which the cool thing is that's like made for you. So it's very, very cool because they take from your behaviors, from your patterns, what kind of songs you listen to, what kind of things, and they try to find other artists that you haven't heard before, right? But that might relate to what you like. And again, this is all about the pattern. So they use, again, your data from what you have been listening to, what you have been checking, and, to create those playlists. So this started in 2015. Again, pretty new, but, somewhat when comparing to the whole history of AI. But again, that's when it's possible to do. And they said that around 16 billion artists are discovered monthly, as in an artist that a person hasn't heard of before, and that then they hear it on the Discover Weekly. And to kind of go one step beyond, they also created this discovery mode so that on the other end of the spectrum, from the artists, they can better manage what people will encounter out of them. So let's say I'm an artist, I have my band, and I'm playing, and I'm like, okay, there's this single coming up, there is this album that is coming up, and we really want to focus on this music. So, we can nudge the algorithm to say, okay, whenever people are going to discover me, please, prioritize this song, which again, super cool and helps them with their business model. So this is the type of stuff, this is the type of use cases that AI and machine learning can really enable.